My grandmother is from Mississippi, so I've had my fair share of biscuits and gravy, but did you guys realize you could do it on your tailgater? Now, it's not quite as good as Grandma would have made, because it's never as good as Grandma would have made, but I'll show you guys how to do a maple sausage gravy with some delicious little biscuits. So we're gonna put 4 or 5 biscuits down on our griddle side of our tailgater, let them get nice and golden on both sides. I'm gonna lay down a little cookie sheet and then put an aluminum foil lid over the top so we can start cooking it in that ambient heat. Now let's get to our gravy. We've got our burner set to about medium-high heat. We want to get a really nice caramelization. We want to bring out some of those sugars and that crispy little texture to this sausage. It's really, really fantastic in our gravy. Instead of just adding our flour to the sausage, we're actually going to add it to a bowl. Then we're going to add some milk and whisk it together until it's nice and smooth. Now, as quickly as possible, like within 10 or 15 seconds, you're going to start adding whole milk and whisk or stir, whichever you prefer. The last thing we're going to do is add some salt and some fresh cracked black pepper. Now, this part is key. This is the way Grandma used to make it, and you can't have really good biscuits and gravy without cracked black pepper. Let's bring those biscuits over to our plate and put some of that gorgeous, delicious maple sausage gravy over the top. This, my friends, is so decadent, so wonderful. Just because you're out camping or out somewhere other than in your kitchen doesn't mean you can't have delicious biscuits and gravy for breakfast. If you guys want this recipe and lots of other ones, go to blackstoneproducts.com. Be sure to like, comment, and share it if you love it. I'm Chef Nate, and I'll see you guys in the next video.